Oops, I fell.
You're good.
Hey guys, welcome back to That LI Garage. This is another episode of the Porsche 911 Turbo build. As you can see, the car is on the frame machine. The frame machine is in Luke's Auto Body. He's a good friend of mine, and he's been doing the body work on my cars for many of years. The guy working on the car right now, you see moving around, his name is Bob. Bob has been doing frame machine work since before I was even born. Bob is a nocturnal creature. He starts working sometime around 7 p.m. and works till around 4 a.m. So when he comes down and works on these cars, we're usually exhausted. So this is me helping Bob, or annoying him, if you ask him. So every so often you have to weld a plate onto the body or the frame so the frame machine can pull it out in a specific direction that that the machinist wants. So the next clip here, you'll see that there's a plate that was already installed and it's being pulled from there. Oh, it's coming.
Keep going. Now. After pulling the metal, you
you have a lot of tension on that portion of metal in that area. So that's when Bob comes out with his mallet and starts straightening out dents or So over here you see me sanding off the paint, getting it back to the bare metal in the quarter panel, because there's a few dents in there, and also the quarter panel got pushed in about half an inch. So I'm sanding it down, and then soon you can see Luke is gonna explain to me how to use this gun that he has. I'm not a body shop guy, I'm just doing it for the fun of it, because it's my own car and for the video. But the real professional here is Luke and Bob. I'm just there to annoy them.
And you just spot weld the thing in there, right?
Okay.
Put tension on. Did you release this?
I did. The hose is right there. Because it was leaking air. I don't like that sound.
So you put pressure back on.
Alright, do it. Okay. Do more. It's opening this thing up.
What you do is
Alright, I got it from here.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah. So there's a good chance I'm going to be having to do a whole bunch over here. Like look, this dent in here. Right?
Well, then
A few of them.
you screw this onto here. Okay.
Raw.
I have another of these guns. This is actually an Amazon one I bought. It's cheaper. I have another one. Keep an eye on this because it does heat it up. Sometimes it'll catch shit on fire. So,
On the inside?
yeah, it's your car. You might. But you know what? This shouldn't really have.
There's nothing in there.
Yeah. Well, sometimes they have that filling, the foam and whatever insulation that will. This honestly. Maybe a little here. Pull it. You could. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You just pull it up on that low. You pretty much don't. Yeah, but I can fill that with that. And then here, you can grind this out a little bit. Spot weld the one in there, and then pull it down on
Pull
it
it down?
to get the kink out.
Oh, to get the kink.
Yeah. You can do the same thing if you have to here. So instead of doing spot welds, we could have done this with the gun.
Yeah.
You do a whole bunch of little ones, and then you put a clamp them all together.
All right, over here we pulled out the whole quarter panel here. We just pulled it out to where it's supposed to be. The rest can be filled with body work. We pulled out as many dents as possible also. So that's this. The bumper fits in nice. Also needs some body work. And then we just need to finish up the front. All right, guys, quick update. we have the car on the frame machine. I gotta do this in one take because everybody's talking and there's a lot of shit happening in this shop. So if we're gonna try to edit it out anyways. So listen, so we're waiting for the guy to continue to do this job, but we have something really interesting over here from one of the other YouTubers. They crashed this car, I think, like 2 years ago, and this car has been sitting here for quite a while. And oh, you don't like that part? It is true though, it's not fake news. So anyway, so we have this R8 over here that it needs, the frame was a little bent and stuff, so it was fixed. It just needs welding, so I'm gonna be welding the frame today and the parts that just need some attention. There's not gonna be much narration in this video because again, this shop is really loud. And I'm going to show a YouTube clip of this when it was on the other channel, the Daily Driven Exotics. So this is a really cool get. And while my car is getting fixed over there. Small world. So this is an example of what I'm doing right now. Luke used the spool welder just to tack everything really and fix everything. And I'll go over this with a TIG welder, this type of welder, and I'll clean up all this weld and I'll penetrate it a lot better than this was. So this type of weld was alongside here and here all the way around, and you can see that they're a lot smoother and there's a better penetration. Before there was bumps over here of aluminum just on top. Same thing with here, all the way around. So I'm just going over his welds and strengthening them. So this R8, Audi R8, was already straightened before. I'm just strengthening all the welds. Right where they are, I'm just welding and strengthening parts and all of that. So that concludes this video. I hope you liked this video. It's a little bit different than most videos I made. If you liked it, please subscribe, comment below, like. I need the likes, subscriptions, and all that stuff. We're still a very new channel. And till next video, I'll see you then. If you ain't got haters, you ain't poppin'.